Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to change your default primary monitor on your Windows 10 computer. So often Windows computers will have dual or multiple monitors that are connected to it. So if you have multiple monitors not only connected to your computer but also to your display, I'm going to show you guys how to change whatever is your primary monitor displayed on your computer. So we're going to jump into it and we're going to start by right clicking on a blank spot on our desktop. Just want to right click again on a blank spot, and then you want to go and left click on display settings. So left click on that one time. Now you want to scroll down on the right side here until you get underneath multiple displays. Older displays might not always connect automatically. Select detect to try and connect to them. Left click on detect here. See if there's any other displays that are detected by doing this, and then you can also go underneath advanced display settings here. You should have the ability to change what monitor is your primary one just by dragging one over the other. So there should be a little illustration that comes up. You just move the one is your first primary monitor and number two would be your secondary monitor. So in this view you just would swap them, which is very simple to do on Windows 10. On Windows 7, Windows 8 you can go through the control panel and then go underneath appearance and personalization, then display, and then go to screen resolution, and then you could instead there'd be a 1 or a 2, just sort of swap them that way. Slightly different screen appearance, but it's the same idea. So once you're done, you just left click on apply and OK, which is just restarting your computer. And hopefully I was able to get you guys hooked up, and as always thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.